Are you tired of working so hard and still not being able to achieve financial success? Have you ever had the impression that your wealth is insufficient for your level of intelligence? Well, it turns out that one's financial success is determined by their money habits rather than only their IQ. Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money, delves into the intricate relationship between our ideas and money. It provides valuable insights into the significance of understanding and changing these behaviors. Housel's work is a helpful resource for anyone struggling to achieve financial success, since it offers valuable information on the complex interplay between our minds and money. Today, we embark on a journey through 18 key lessons distilled from the pages of this modern classic. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to avoid common money mistakes, measure your financial success, and achieve financial independence. So subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Lesson 1: No-one's crazy. Housel argues that irrational financial decisions often stem from personal motivations and experiences. Recognizing these can enhance our decision-making. For example, two friends with contrasting investment strategies should be compared. One opts for high-risk stocks, while the other prefers a conservative portfolio. The first person says, "I invest in stocks because I believe in the potential for high returns, even if it comes with greater risk." And the other friend said, "I prioritize stability in my investments to safeguard against unexpected downturns." Why? Because it gives me peace of mind. So, we must acknowledge their personal motivations and risk tolerance, rather than dismissing their choices as irrational. Lesson 2: Luck and Risk. Housel emphasizes the importance of luck in financial success and the need to be prepared for uncertainty. He argues that risk is not solely about probability, but also the consequences of our choices. Imagine two entrepreneurs who launch identical businesses at the same time. Despite their similar efforts, one succeeds while the other fails. This disparity highlights the profound influence of luck on financial outcomes and the need for humility and preparedness. Entrepreneur 1: I worked tirelessly on my business, but I also recognized the fortuitous timing and circumstances that contributed to its success. Entrepreneur 2: Despite my best efforts, external factors beyond my control led to the downfall of my venture. It's a humbling realization. Lesson 3: Never enough. Housel argues that our insatiable desire for wealth is a fundamental aspect of human nature, but it's essential not to fall into the trap of perpetual discontent. Contentment, he suggests, lies not in amassing riches, but in finding satisfaction with what we have. For instance, a corporate executive who relentlessly pursues wealth, believing it to be the key to happiness, finds themselves perpetually dissatisfied, trapped in a cycle of insatiable desire. Executive: I thought money would bring me happiness, but no matter how much I earn, it never feels like enough. Perhaps there's more to life than material wealth. Contentment seeker: I've learned to find joy in simple pleasures and meaningful relationships. That, to me, is true wealth. Lesson 4: Tails, you win. Housel emphasizes the significance of surviving financial setbacks and promoting strategies that prioritize resilience over maximizing gains. He argues that financial success is not just about winning but staying in the game. In real-life scenarios, resilience is crucial in overcoming adversity, as seen in two families diligently saving for retirement, due to unexpected medical expenses that depleted their savings. Family member 1: Despite our setbacks, we remain optimistic about the future. Our ability to adapt and persevere has been our greatest asset. Family member 2: We've learned the importance of building a financial safety net. to protect against unforeseen emergencies. It's given us peace of mind during challenging times. Lesson 5. Save money. While seemingly obvious, Housel's insights into the power of saving are profound. He emphasizes the compounding effect of small, consistent contributions and highlights the freedom that financial security provides. Meet two friends embarking on their careers, each earning a modest income. While one splurges on luxuries, the other diligently saves and invests a portion of their earnings. Over time, the latter accumulates wealth through the power of compounding, underscoring the transformative impact of consistent saving habits. Lesson 6. Fear and greed. Housel emphasizes the importance of understanding and managing emotions in financial decision-making, especially during market fluctuations and economic uncertainty. He cites investor behavior during such times, where fear may cause panic selling or greed may lead to speculative asset chases. By understanding and managing these emotions, rational and disciplined investment decisions can be made. For instance, an investor can focus on long-term prospects during market downturns, while another may become caught up in speculative hype, regretting their investment decisions later. Lesson 7. You and me. Housel's work emphasizes the interconnectedness of our economic lives and the importance of recognizing the broader societal impact of our choices. By fostering empathy and responsible stewardship, communities can support local businesses facing financial hardship. For instance, a community member organized a crowdfunding campaign to help a struggling bookstore stay afloat, demonstrating the collective support of all members. Supporting local businesses not only invests in the vibrancy and resilience of the community, but also fosters solidarity and empathy. Lesson 8. Surprise. Housel emphasizes the importance of financial planning for unforeseen circumstances, highlighting the need for flexibility and resilience. Let's consider the story of a family whose home was damaged by a natural disaster, as an example of how prudent planning can mitigate its impact. Building emergency savings and insurance coverage can help prepare for life's uncertainties. The homeowner emphasizes the importance of prioritizing emergency funds and adequate insurance coverage to protect their family's finances, while financial advisors emphasize the importance of contingency planning, focusing on being prepared for whatever life throws at them. Lesson 9. Room for error. Housel advises against overly optimistic assumptions in financial planning, advocating for conservative estimates and ample buffers. Building a margin for error can mitigate risk and enhance long-term stability. Two retirees with contrasting approaches to financial planning illustrate this point. The optimistic retiree believes in high returns from investments, while the conservative retiree emphasizes the importance of building a financial cushion to cover unexpected expenses. Acknowledging the inherent uncertainty of the future can help safeguard financial well-being against unexpected challenges. Lesson 10. Nothing's free. Housel emphasizes the importance of scrutinizing the costs of financial decisions and seeking transparency and understanding in our transactions. Consider the case of a consumer tempted by a credit card offer with hidden fees and high interest rates. Recognizing that nothing is truly free can help make more informed choices and avoid debt traps. For instance, a consumer may initially enjoy rewards but quickly realize the high interest rates negate any benefits. To avoid such situations, consumers should carefully evaluate the terms and conditions of any financial product to ensure there are no hidden fees or unfavorable terms. Lesson 11. You are not your returns. Housel argues against the idea of tying self-worth to financial success, emphasizing the multifaceted nature of human identity. He argues that true wealth is more than just monetary wealth. Consider an investor's story to illustrate this point, stating that a successful market can lead to a plummeting self-esteem and portfolio. Housel emphasizes that our worth extends beyond monetary gains, and that focusing on other aspects of life beyond investments can lead to a more fulfilling life. Lesson 12: The Seduction of Pessimism. Housel emphasizes the importance of maintaining optimism and perspective in turbulent markets, despite the allure of pessimism. He suggests that excessive pessimism can lead to missed opportunities and unnecessary stress. Housel encourages a balanced perspective, recognizing that markets fluctuate and long-term trends often prevail. He suggests that investors should focus on the bigger picture and long-term goals. Stay informed and not let fear dictate their decisions. Markets go through cycles, and it's about riding them out. Lesson 13: When you'll believe anything. Housel's work highlights the influence of narratives on our financial decisions and beliefs. He warns against falling prey to misinformation and irrational exuberance. By critically evaluating these narratives, with his argument, we can exemplify this by comparing an investor's impulsive decision to sensational headlines about a new stock. Housel warns against narrative fallacies, where compelling stories can cloud judgment and lead us astray. Lesson 14: The Illusion of Control. Housel challenges the myth of total control in financial markets, emphasizing the role of luck and randomness. He suggests that accepting our limitations can lead to more prudent and realistic decision-making. For instance, an investor who believes they can predict market movements with certainty may be caught off guard by unexpected events. Instead, they should focus on diversifying their portfolio and managing risk. Lesson 15: The Problem with Compounding. Housel emphasizes the benefits of compounding returns, but warns against the risks of compounding costs and mistakes. He emphasizes the need for diligence and mindfulness to maximize the benefits of compounding. While compounding can be beneficial in wealth building, it can also hinder debt and mistakes. For instance, a borrower who fails to manage their credit card debt accrues interest that compounds over time and becomes increasingly burdensome. Housel's lesson emphasizes the importance of managing assets and liabilities with diligence and mindfulness. Lesson 16: Big events happen rarely. Housel emphasizes the importance of preparation and perspective in navigating significant financial events, such as the 2008 financial crisis. These events, while rare, can have a significant impact on our financial lives. To prepare, investors should maintain a diversified portfolio and a long-term perspective. Housel's example illustrates the importance of a conservative approach and a diversified portfolio to weather future storms, ensuring a smoother financial journey. Lesson 17: The Tail End. Housel urges us to consider the long-term implications of our financial decisions, recognizing that the greatest rewards often lie at the tail end of patience and perseverance. Delayed gratification, he suggests, is a powerful ally on the journey to wealth. For example, a long-term investor may experience modest gains over the years, but eventually see significant rewards as their investments mature. Housel suggests that patience and delayed gratification are key to the journey to wealth, as the compounding effect can lead to substantial growth. Lesson 18: Freedom. Ultimately, Housel's lessons converge on the notion of financial freedom, the ability to live life on our own terms, free from the constraints of economic insecurity. by embracing sound financial principles and cultivating a healthy mindset. E can unlock the true potential of our wealth. Achieving financial independence has allowed me to focus on what truly matters to me. Spending quality time with loved ones and pursuing my passions. As we reflect on these 18 key lessons, let us heed Morgan Housel's timeless wisdom and embark on a journey toward financial enlightenment. For at the nexus of psychology and money lies the path to prosperity and a more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. See you next time.